Hello, everyone. Today, the students of Arvachan International School are going to present an assembly on World Population Day. It's a United Nations initiative celebrated on the 11th of July every year. So, let's get going. I would request my anchor Om Srivastav of Class 8D to take over. Over to you, Om.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Warm greetings to all. Today, students of Arvachan International School will present an assembly on World Population Day. As rightly said, all our environmental problems become easier to solve with fewer people and harder and ultimately impossible to solve with ever more people. I invite Shriya Agrawal of class 7A to recite a Hindi poem urging people to curb the growth of population.
नमस्कार। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं 11 जुलाई को विश्व जनसंख्या दिवस मनाया जाता है, तो आज उसी के उपलक्ष्य पर मैं आप सभी के सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है बढ़ती जनसंख्या पर अंकुश लगाएं। आओ मिलकर कसम ये खाएं, बढ़ती जनसंख्या पर अंकुश लगाएं। अगर देश को बचाना है तो मिलकर कदम उठाना है। जनसंख्या अगर यूं ही बढ़ती जाएगी तो नित नई समस्याएं लाएगी। भूखमरी, चोरी, बेरोजगारी की चिंता सताएगी। बीए करके पास जब लोग करेंगे नौकरी की आस, पर होंगे निराश, टूटेगा आत्मविश्वास। आओ युवाओं का आत्मविश्वास बचाएं, आओ मिलकर कसम ये खाएं, बढ़ती जनसंख्या पर अंकुश लगाएं। देश में होगी खाद्यान्नों की कमी, भूखमरी बढ़ेगी, लाचारी बढ़ेगी। ऐसे कैसे होगा देश का कल्याण? कैसे बनेगा मेरा भारत महान? भूखी जनता गलत राह अपनाएगी, चोरी डकैती भी बढ़ती जाएगी। हमें युवा पीढ़ी को बचाना है तो बढ़ती जनसंख्या पर रोक लगाना है। आओ मिलकर कसम ये खाएं, बढ़ती जनसंख्या पर अंकुश लगाएं। बेरोजगारी निराशा लाएगी, आर्थिक संकट की चिंता सताएगी, महंगाई भी तो बढ़ जाएगी। जंगल कटेंगे, घर बनेंगे, हवाओं में प्रदूषण बढ़ता जाएगा, नई नई बीमारियां लाएगा। इन सब समस्याओं का करो समाधान, तभी देश बनेगा महान। आओ मिलकर कसम ये खाएं, बढ़ती जनसंख्या पर अंकुश लगाएं। धन्यवाद।
Very well expressed. Let's move on. As we put more and more people into the world, the value of life not only declines but disappears. Now, I would like to invite Medhavi Rai of 6C to recite the poem on overpopulation.
A very good morning everyone. I am Medhavi Rai of Arvachan International School of class 6C will recite a poem in front of you on the occasion of World Population Day. I hope you all will like it. The Mother Earth welcomes the birth. She smiles with love when it takes place. The great mothers of all humans she likes, all to live in their full term allowed. Without poverty, with rightful needs caught, with proper ways for understanding world. The reproductive mechanism of this vast space, alas, she is now a depressed mother. The population explosion is really alarming. She finds it hard to maintain herself and to give so care and concern to her dear ones. She is loving to all other species in all times, but takes care of a proud heir of the world. She tells, I am burdened a lot, dear humans. Make yourself to find the problem. Restrict yourself to make the world, to change it into a beautiful place to live in, without poverty, unemployment and all. The root cause of chaos, I can boldly tell, dear ones, take a step to make yourself, to be frank to the limit of numbers to be taken birth, The larger space I cannot provide. The larger interest is yours only. Thank you.
Medhavi has so beautifully voiced herself. Now I invite Avinav of 8B, who will brief you about World Population Day. Here is Avinav with his presentation.
Very good day to all of you. I, Avinav of class 8B, am going to present a PowerPoint presentation on World Population Day, which is held on 11th of July every year. Let us get started with this enlightening quote. Instead of controlling environment for the benefit of population, we should control population to ensure survival of our environment. World Population Day is an annual event observed on July 11 every year, which seeks to raise awareness of global population issues. The event was established by the Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme in 1989. Now we will discuss about demographic profile. In demographics, the world population is the total number of humans currently living and was estimated to have reached 7.8 billion people as of March 2020. It took over 2 lakh years of human history for the world's population to reach 1 billion and only 200 years more to reach 7 billion. Just look at this data. It is even horrifying to think about our multiplying numbers. But what really is the purpose of celebrating such a day? World Population Day aims to increase people's awareness about various population issues such as the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health, and human rights. People are nation's greatest resource. Nature's bounty becomes significant only when people find it useful. It is people with their demands and abilities that turn them into resource. Human resource is the ultimate resource. Healthy, educated, and motivated people develop resources as per their requirements. Factors that affect distribution of population. Physical features. People always prefer to live on plains rather than mountains and plateaus because these areas are suitable for farming, manufacturing, and service activities. Climate. People usually avoid extreme climates and prefer moderate temperature and rainfall areas. Resources. Areas with mineral deposits are more populated. Industrialization. Industrial areas provide employment opportunities. Large number of people are attracted to these areas. Now let's talk about population density. Population density is the number of people living in a unit area of the Earth's surface. It is normally expressed as per square kilometer. The average density of population in the whole world is 51 people per square kilometer. Here, as you can see, there is a big difference in population in India and China as compared to all these countries. Now let's understand the factors affecting population growth. Natality, that is the birth rate, is the number of live births per 1,000 people. Mortality, that is death rate, is the number of deaths per 1,000 people. Migration is the movement of people in an area, that is immigration, and out of an area, that is emigration. Conclusion. Skilled, spirited, and hopeful young people endowed with a positive outlook are the future of any nation. We in India are fortunate. We have such a resource. They must be educated and provided skills and opportunities to become able and productive. Thank you. I hope you like my presentation.
Wow, well presented, brother. Now, I would like to invite Amitesh of 7B who will present a speech on the adverse effects of overpopulation and its
Good
solutions.
morning, everyone. I am Amitesh here. On the occasion of World Population Day, it's my pleasure to take an opportunity to express my views. World Population Day is observed on July 11th every year to raise awareness about global population issues. Too much of anything is not good for our health, and it applies the same here to our planet Earth. Population refers to the total number of people living in a particular area. We are facing a worldwide shortage of resources due to overpopulation. To reduce such problems, we can use small families. Let me explain you some of the positive sides of having a small family. A family holds a special place in the life of an individual and in the society in which he or she lives. Impact of the lifestyle which we learn is more important as we spend more time in our family. A small family is a happy family, and it is gaining its popularity nowadays as it is having too many advantages. People with one or two children tend to spend quality time attention to them. Each child receives more parental attention and education advantages, which generally helps them to raise their self-esteem. As number of members is restricted, the focus is more centralized. Economically, difficulties are also reduced in a small family, such as supporting a kid from cradle to universities by providing them books, uniforms, fees, etc. Attaining of higher level of education is possible if the number of children are less, as it involves considerable monetary pressure. The financial cost of maintaining a household is lower in a small family. It is easier for both parents to combine career with family life. Children grow in a small family tend to develop a sense of independence, which helps them to explore more and choose what is right. Providing them a nutritious meal is necessary for their health. Mother with one or two children experience less strain. In a small family, parents have their freedom to take their own decisions. The size of the family plays a vital role in highlighting climate change. Actually, it may be the solitary campaign for ecologically friendly lifestyles which really counts. Every child gets a larger share of the pie and will play a greater role in their community in future. Most people think that it's easy to live with a small family. A small family is a family which is need of the hour. Thank you.
It is time to lighten your mood. Humor leaves a long-lasting effect and conveys any social message very effectively. It is a very powerful tool to raise awareness. Students of 8D will present a hilarious act to highlight the theme of the day. My friends, please.
इंडिया पॉपुलेशन पे कंट्रोल नहीं क्या बच्चे मचाते हैं शोर फैमिली मांगे मोर लोगों की हो गई है गर्दी फटने लगी है धरती इंडिया पॉपुलेशन पे कंट्रोल नहीं क्या मिलती नहीं यहाँ नौकरी टूटी है किस्मत की टोकरी पेड़ हो रहे कम लोग बढ़ रहे बम इंडिया पॉपुलेशन पे कंट्रोल नहीं क्या खाने के हो रहे हैं वांदे महंगे हो गए हैं कांदे हम दो हमारे तो मांझा मत मान हाँ, अब तो ये टाइम भी गया इसीलिए इंडिया हम दो हमारा एक मांझा टाइम है इंडिया सुधर जा इंडिया पॉपुलेशन पे कंट्रोल होगा हाँ होगा जी होगा रे होगा जोर से बोलो होगा सारे बोलो होगा मिलके बोलो होगा रे बोलो उम्मीद है पूरी होगा
चलो हो गया
Here I conclude the assembly on World Population Day. It is high time the world leaders accept population as an epidemic and come up with effective solutions. I am sure you all liked the assembly. I would like to thank Mrs. Kaushik, Mrs. Shivani Sharma, Mrs. Anjali Sharma, Mrs. Rodgi, and Mrs. Grover for their valuable contribution in making this assembly so captivating. I would also like to thank all the participants who have worked so hard to make it a success. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our principal, Mrs. Nair, for motivating us to conduct the online assembly. Thank you.